Adventures of a Penguin Pair in Antarctica. Once upon a time, in the chilly land of Antarctica, there lived a delightful pair of penguins named Gloria and Quirky. Gloria possessed an elegant charm that dazzled all who saw her, while Quirky was known for his amusing and unconventional antics. Together, they formed a delightful combination that never failed to bring smiles to the faces of their fellow penguins. One sunny morning, Gloria woke up with an exciting idea. She waddled over to Quirky, who was still nestled nearby, and said, "Quirky, my dear, let's embark on an intriguing adventure. We shall explore the icy wonders of Antarctica and discover the marvelous encounters that await us." Quirky's eyes sparkled with curiosity as he replied, "Oh, Gloria, that sounds absolutely delightful. Count me in." Filled with anticipation, Gloria and Quirky set off on their grand expedition. They ventured through snow-covered valleys, navigated icy cliffs, and braved the chilly winds of their frozen homeland. Along the way, they encountered playful seals, majestic whales, and a multitude of vibrant sea creatures. Seahorses gracefully swam beside them. Beautiful flying gurnards soared through the water, and the fascinating blue glaucus, also known as the blue dragon, captivated their attention. Above the sea, they watched as graceful gray and white Arctic terns soaring through the sky. Midway through the day, they experienced a sudden storm, with dark clouds swirling above. They greeted a group of magnificent emperor penguins on their journey. The emperor penguins stood tall, exuding an air of regal authority in the icy world. On their way back home, they encountered some adorable penguin friends and engaged in playful swimming games along the coastline. The seafloor was adorned with colorful and pretty pebbles, adding to the enchantment of their surroundings. "What a marvelous day we've had," thought Gloria. Quirky's peculiar and playful nature added an element of laughter to their journey. Word of their incredible adventure spread throughout the penguin colony, and Gloria and Quirky became beloved figures in Antarctica. They would often regale their fellow penguins with tales of their daring exploits, inspiring everyone to embrace their own unique adventures. Gloria and Quirky exemplified to their penguin companions that life should be embraced with joy and a sense of wonder. They demonstrated that beauty could be discovered in unexpected moments, and laughter is a universal language that transcends all boundaries.